Good morning, children. All of you take out a social study reader and we begin with lesson number 18, Environment and Pollution. Yes, all I had finished. Up to here I had finished. Now we turn to page number 138, Effects of Land Pollution. The upper layer of the soil gets damaged. This leads to loss of fertile land for agriculture, forest covers, etc. Now, what are the effects of land pollution? When the land is polluted, what will happen? The upper layer of the soil gets damaged. It will get damaged. It will be of no use, and this will lead to loss of fertile land, and the land cannot be fertile anymore, and it will not be land for agriculture. We cannot grow crops, and to make it fertile land, we have to do lot of digging and cultivation, put manure and everything, and then bring it to the level of agriculture. When land is polluted, it affects the climate pattern directly or indirectly. So, when the land is polluted, what is the next effect? It will affect the climate pattern. It can be direct also and indirect also. The climate will not be good. The contaminated land with toxic chemical leads to problems of skin cancer and human respiratory system. Now, when the land is contaminated means it is spoiled, it is polluted with what? With toxic chemicals, and it will lead to problem of skin cancer and human respiratory system. That is problem in breathing. It can be asthma attack or any other problem related to your lungs. Even the wildlife gets affected because of the loss of habitat and natural environment. Even the wildlife is affected, and there is loss of habitat and natural environment. That is, the animals, they live in their environment. So there is it is a natural home for plant and for animals, and even these animals are affected. Now we come to measures and solution for land pollution. What are the measures we have to take? Precautions we have to take. Reduce the use of pesticide and agriculture. Reuse the use of pesticide and fertilizers in agriculture activities. Now we have to make less use of pesticide and fertilizer in the agriculture activities. Avoid buying packed items as they generate more plastic waste. Now we have to avoid packages of uh, which are packed in plastic waste. So we have to avoid buying mm, packed items as they generate more plastic waste. Use biodegradable product. Now we have to use biodegradable products which are safe for the we have to use biodegradable products. Yes, and what to do, that can be taken by the land and it can be consumed by the land naturally, as it does not do any harm to the environment. So we have to use all these kinds of product. So we have to avoid buying packed items as they generate more plastic waste. Ensure not to litter on the ground and do proper disposable of garbage. Now we don't have to litter or mess up the place, environment, pollute this place. We have to use proper disposable of garbage. Yes, see, this is garbage. It is land is being polluted. So if it is disposed up in a proper place, that will be more better. The land is not polluted. Now we come to noise pollution. Industrial areas are more prone to noise pollution. Means prone means what? Likely to suffer. The pressure of noise in the atmosphere is called sound or noise pollution. Now, industrial area means factories are there. The waste is produced and it is being thrown away like this. So these places are means likely to suffer to noise pollution. The pressure of noise in the atmosphere is called sound or noise pollution. Human beings can hear the softest sound with an intensity of 20 decibels. है ना? Now what is this? This is the unit to measure the intensity of the sound. Any sound louder than 90 decibel is harmful to human ears. Any noise. So it is not good for the human ears because the eardrums will be damaged. It also causes irritation and restlessness. The noise pollution is mainly caused by vehicles, aeroplanes, loudspeakers, machines, and loud music. What are the causes of noise? How are they caused? These are the causes. Turn to the next page. Now we come to page number 139. Effect of noise pollution. When the noise, what are the effect of the noise pollution? It affects the human health and is harmful to the ears and heart. So you see the noise pollution is not at all good. It is harmful for our health, harmful to the ears, and harmful for the heart. It may cause temporary or permanent deafness and loss of concentration in human being. So what will happen? There will be permanent deafness, will become deaf, and there will be loss of concentration in human being. Mind will be distracted. Mind cannot concentrate. Noise pollution can also cause animals lots of problem. Now animals also, it will cause problem to the animals. Measures and solution for noise pollution. Now what are the measures? We'll read here. Construction of soundproof rooms or building for noisy machines. Now we should use soundproof rooms for building for noisy machines. Use of horns in vehicles with damaging sounds should be prohibited. Now vehicles which have got loud horns should be stopped, should be prohibited. Government and local bodies should check the misuse of loudspeakers, etc. Now, the government should stop, and local bodies, that they should not misuse the loudspeakers. People going in the car with the taxis and all, they have to make their music soft. We should not use loudspeakers. Plantation of trees along roads and in the residential colonies should be encouraged as it is good and harmless way to check noise pollution. Plantation of trees along road and in residential colonies should be encouraged as it is a good and a harmless way to check the sound pollution. Now we have to plant more trees along the road, along the house side, along the colonies, as it is good for the atmosphere. It is good and it is an harmless way to check noise pollution. So children, you will read this lesson again nicely and see that you learn your quickies. Whatever is ticked over here, learn all these quickies which are ticked over here. Let us revise also, you will learn. Before also, I had told you to learn. Yes, now you will learn multiple choice. You will read the lesson and you will find the answer. See that you learn this multiple choice correctly. Learn true and false. Learn your fill in the blanks very well. All the objective question, learn it well. Okay. This match the following also. Okay. So enough for now, and see that you complete your learning work thoroughly. Okay, children. Have a good day and see that you complete your work.